So welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Nancy. Thank you so much for always tuning in, and for those who are new here, please feel free to subscribe to my channel so as we can connect together and support this channel so as we can grow each and every day, so as I can continue uploading more and more videos for you guys. So today I decided to have a stopover as I was coming from work. I was on night shift, guys, so I decided to come here along with you so as I can show you the beautiful place. It's called Blue Post Hotel. It has a very magnificent waterfalls called Chania Falls. So I'll show you, so kindly watch till the end and you see it. And Vika Falls. So guys, it's a very beautiful place. You can always have a stopover with your family, and if you are a local tourist, and if you are an international tourist, it's called Blue Post Hotel in Kenya, Africa. So welcome, and always feel so welcome. So guys, let's go. So this is our fish pond. Is it a fish
pod? Yeah,
yeah.
It's a fish pod. Yeah, we have bamboo fish. That one would be mistake for a tilapia fish. They look alike. But bamboo fish are birds. You look at them closely. They're banded.
Oh, they are banded.
Yeah, banded. Yeah.
They are not reaching until.
Yeah, they're not playing as play.
Wow. Okay.
So yeah. Oh, sorry. Other keys. There we are. So we feed them with pellets. So here we have our tortoise. What are the shell?
Leopard tortoises, guys. I have never seen these tortoises. So
wow. Real leopard tortoise.
Wow.
Yeah.
They look like they are not alive. And they are.
They're now basking. They're enjoying that warm. Bit of warm. Yeah.
Wow.
We feed them with the greens. Cabbage, as you can see, pieces of cabbage. Yeah, we feed them with the cabbage. Cabbage and greens.
Okay.
Yeah, greens. And they lay eggs. And as I've said, they will lay the eggs just like crocodiles. Digging what we call ground nest. Then laying the eggs there. Leaving them there for 3 months.
Okay.
Then they do small. Actually, I'll show you the hatchlings.
Wow. That is so great. So, guys, can you visit this place and watch all this beauty? It is in Blue Post, Vika Town, outskirts of Nairobi City. So come along and you will see the beautiful place. Giant rats?
Giant rat.
Wow, they are giant rats. Zile zinaitwa Bernard.
Yeah, no, not Bernard really. When you go to South America, they call them
South America, they have such.
They have such big, rats.
Wow. You see, it's a rat, a real one. Wow.
Yeah.
I've never seen such a big rat. I know of the small ones.
The small ones.
Wow. Kindly, guys, can you come and always watch this beauty? You will see all kinds of animals in this park.
In South America, they call them beaver.
Beaver.
In Kenya, they are giant rats.
Wow.
Yeah.
You can hear for yourselves. Also rabbits. I also have rabbits in my home.
Yeah.
So thank you for having them and showing them around.
Guinea pigs.
We have guinea pigs.
Yeah,
oh my
pigs.
God. Wow, let's see them. They are babies.
No, they are grown-ups.
They are
how big they can grow.
Oh my God. This is how big they can grow.
Yeah.
I thought they are small pigs.
The youngest are on this side.
Wow. But they are small ones.
Yeah.
You can see the guinea pigs. Have you ever seen guinea pigs, guys? Wow, I have never seen them. This is my first time also. So magnificent. They look like rats.
Yeah.
So they are also called domestic rats, guinea pigs.
Actually, these are what?
That's a monkey, guys. It's just running over my head. Wow. As I have my tour guide here. You are who?
My name is Nixon.
We have Nixon here. He's a tour guide in Blue Post Hotel. He's a very, very good tour guide. So feel welcome and feel free to ask him any question and he'll show you around.
From 9 months to 1 year. 3 months.
They are small tortoises. This is a hatchery, guys. So they are small tortoises. We had seen the big ones. Now they are small ones here. They had been hatched. Wow. This is so wonderful, guys. So always come here and watch. Just a few kilometers away from the place I live and away from the place I work, and I have always bypassed this place, but today I decided to come in and show you this beauty. Wow, you can see the monkey. It's just
that black kite. There's a black kite.
What is that?
Ready to fly. It's a bird called, it's a raptor called black kite. It's now ready to fly.
Wow, wow. You can see it. Wow.
There it is.
Beautiful monkey there, having its good time, and it's all playing, guys. Wow, this is so great. What a beautiful morning for me. What a beautiful morning for my viewers. You can see. Beautiful creatures. Wow. We have one of the biggest eagles
in Africa in the world called martial eagle.
Wow.
A very rare bird to find. Yeah, this one is very young, now about 1 year and 6 months. Yeah, and actually this one grows very big. Yeah, and they can eat monkeys. Yeah, because of their toughness. They can eat monkeys, they can eat rabbits.
Wow.
They can eat, other small rodents, and also gazelles and antelopes.
Wow.
Very, very big. This is just very young. Actually, when they are fully grown, they grow to, may spread the wing to 2.75 meters.
Okay.
Just imagine how big that one is.
Wow. How many monkeys around? What are the names of these monkeys?
They are cyc monkeys. Actually,
Cyc monkeys.
Around we have 2 types of monkeys. We have cyc monkeys and pivot monkeys. But this area is dominated by cyc monkeys.
Why is a cyc?
Cyc monkeys. You can also call them blue monkeys.
Blue monkeys. I'm a health. Wow. The cyc monkeys. In medicine, that is.
I mean, just I'm saying that name.
Guys, the real name is a blue monkey, but the other name you can call them cyc monkeys.
To a porcupine.
Yeah,
they don't throw the spikes.
Oh, they don't throw.
But we have
that
more.
Is what I was fearing.
Take video from those ones there. Yeah, they don't throw the spikes.
Yeah.
Okay. Kiswahili we call them nungu nungu.
Nungu nungu in Kiswahili.
Yeah.
Wow.
Unaweza kuenda kutoa kwa mgongo ya.
All right. Wow.
Here
wow, this is a beautiful one. You can see it.
The big daddy monkey.
Wow, the big daddy is the biggest here.
Actually, it's a male.
Wow.
As you see, that's why you see is eating along. Very good blackness.
Wow.
Scaring the rest. The rest are just now spectators. Yeah, they cannot come close.
Oh, they cannot come close.
You fight them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, another one carrying its kid.
Yeah, so they are very many.
Watch onion. Wow, these are porcupines. I hope they don't throw these spikes.
No, they don't. They don't need to.
They have the spikes. Wow, this is a porcupine.
And this is what we call crested porcupine.
Crested?
Yeah, they are the biggest rodents. Yeah.
Oh, they are rodents, like rats.
Yeah, rats. They live in a cage. But this one are trapped now. They are now used to staying this cage here. This enclosure here. So we feed them with the maize, food like maize, but basically they eat tubers. That is chakula kama viazi, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, and also cabbage sometimes.
Okay.
So that's basically what we feed them with.
Wow.
We feed them once every day.
Okay.
When we close, because they're actually nocturnal animals.
Okay.
So we feed them at night.
So they are not seeing us?
Actually, they don't see well during daytime, but during nighttime, because they're nocturnal, they see very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Their spikes. Their spikes are used by ladies to clean their hair.
Yeah.
And also,
Can you assist me with one?
I think I'll get you.
It's inflating. What is that called?
Correct.
What is that called? Hiyo kufura.
Inflating. That is
Inflating.
Yeah.
Okay. It is inflating and becoming big. So they're nocturnal animals, guys. So you can see them. There are 3 of them.
I'll give you a big.
My tour guide.
That's very tiny.
Wow, I have been given a spike from the porcupine, guys. Wow, thank you so much.
Outside, sometimes they might migrate, or rather visitors. They can leave this place in time, and they can come in time.
Okay.
So sometimes visitors will want to see monkeys. And just imagine they'll find no monkeys outside, so they see these ones.
Oh,
That's
they have sacrificed and caged. We have geese, guys.
Yeah, these are actually domestic geese. Yeah, they're not ducks.
Yeah, they're not
ducks with geese. Geese are a bit soft compared to ducks.
Okay.
So actually, we are supposed to open for them.
Wow.
Or we feed them from here.
So they can come outside?
Absolutely, we can even do that right now.
They won't attack us? There's a neighborhood there. They attack us. I don't know why. Just coming out. They are domestic ones.
Domestic ones.
Wow,
they feed
very
on
beautiful.
grass. They feed on grass at 6 o'clock in the evening. They just come back to their cage.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Gosh, guys, look at what I'm seeing. It's a big snake. It's a snake.
Yeah. This is what we call rock python. Yeah. Actually, as you can see it, it looks like inflating. That is,
it's hearing us.
It means it ate just the other day, swallowed something. That is rabbit. We feed them with rabbits. And now that will take about 3 weeks. Then you feed it again. That way. Based on an inch.
This is hippopotamus skin, but preserved. You can see it's very, very thick. Very thick. I thought they are sticks. I'm surprised. So welcome guys. Let me show you the most scary animal here, but it's so calm right now. It's a black mamba snake. You see, the most poisonous snake on earth. Venomous snake. You can see it's huge, very huge. You can see it. It's very calm, but timing us to attack. As a red spitting cobra there, you can see it. Wow, it's very red actually. I think that is where the name came from. There are very many snakes. This is my first time coming close to a snake. This is a bafada. When it bites you, you feel just like a sting. And then your flesh starts rotting from inside. So it's a very poisonous snake also. So let's see another one here. Wow. Very big. Very huge. Wow. They are caged, guys. So don't have to fear for me. For educational purposes. So you are always welcome, guys, to come here in Blue Post Hotel in Kenya, Africa, and watch all these beautiful things. These are
records on records.
They are on records. The things that were used a long time ago for entertaining us. You can see this one. What is it called?
Records.
A record.
Music records.
Music record, yeah. Yeah. You can see it. The buffalo head, skull. This is a small lion skull here.
Elephant skull.
Elephant, so yeah, an elephant skull, but it was a small one.
Hippo skull.
Hippo skull, you can see. Very beautiful things to see. So, and a zebra skull. Wow, beautiful monkeys there. They are freelancers, guys. They're just walking around and having their good time here in this place. There's an ostrich, a big. Wow, that is massive. It's so big. You can see it. Wow, that's a big ostrich. Is it really caged?
No, it's free.
It's a free one. Does it attack?
No close.
Wow, this is how close I have come with an ostrich, guys. So beautiful. So big, so tall. You can see its strong legs. By the way, do you know, guys, it can even carry a whole adult human being on its back. So that is so beautiful. Wow, I love this.
Oh, that's open now.
Wow, you see?
These
No, I can't imagine myself near those crocodiles. Oh my God. Just imagine, I'm just wondering where is the tongue. I'm even surprised they don't have a tongue. I didn't know that. Oh, crocodiles don't have tongues. We have our curio shops here where you can buy
some shopping.
Yeah, and buy some beautiful. Let me just show you at a closer. Yeah, we have beautiful things here. You can come and buy beautiful home decors. You get them, you take them into your homes to make your home beautiful. Wow, this is so beautiful. Guys, I found out there are horses. You can come for horse riding, guys. You can see one is dead asleep. It's just relaxing. You can see. Wow, beautiful things. Wow. Oh. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow, this is the Vika waterfalls. Wow, this is so beautiful. You can even go down there with a tour guide who can guide you and take you there. But today it has very small fee of 400 shillings. Just imagine 400 shillings. You can get into that fall. You by being guided by a tour guide in Blue Post Hotel. So guys, have fun. Come and have fun here. It is a very beautiful place. Are you seeing, guys, how much I'm enjoying myself? Yeah? Take a small video for me. Yeah, this is Vika Waterfalls. You're welcome. Very wide view. You're welcome to see all this beauty. It is here in Kenya, Africa, guys, and it has a very, very magnificent show. So I have a very good instructor here with me who is just showing me around. He can come and take you around. So you are welcome. Thank you so much. He's Dixon Keoko. Kilonzo. Yeah. Dixon Kilonzo is an instructor here and he shows people around. So you can come and talk to him and he takes you up to the river there and you have your good time. So thank you, guys. Wow, you can see. Very, very beautiful. Very natural. Wow. Kenya is a beautiful place. Visit our country, Kenya. It's a very beautiful place. It has very many beautiful places to visit and have your good time. By the way, can people do boat riding there? Oh, boat, yeah. Boat rafting, yeah? Wow. They have there, and it's a man-made one. Wow. This is so very, very good. Very, very beautiful. I'm very happy today. It's a beautiful morning for me. By the way, guys, the hotel is sandwiched between two falls, the Vika waterfall and the Chania waterfall. So you will have a lot of fascinating views. So, wow, this is so beautiful. Isn't this fascinating, guys? Wow, this is so beautiful. Come to Blue Post Hotel and you'll have all these things at a close glance. Wow. Wow.
Nancy, you can even go inside.
Let's go inside. So many curios. They have so many curio shops, and you can have so many beautiful things which you can take home for home decors. Wow, so many things. You see, this is so beautiful, and they are all handmade. Are you seeing? All handmade. So come and visit the place and buy all things at a very cheap price. Handmade art products, very, very beautiful. You can absolutely get everything in this place. It's a most amazing place I have ever visited. And I want you guys, whenever you come to visit, even if you're a local tourist, come and see these places and you'll have amazing, amazing time with your families, with your children, alone. Wow, it's a beautiful place. Imagine, so many people are gifted around here, and they do a lot of great things just to have. Wow, you can see this is so beautiful. I'm so attracted especially to this one. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, the ostrich is just walking around. You can see it. It can't attack anyone. So, wow, it's so huge. It's listening to us. The instructor is called Nixon. He can take you around, guys. He's very kind and really shows you well. Wow. Wow. You can see. Wow, it's a beautiful creature. So guys, I'm through. Let me take you to the falls. You see the other waterfall called Chania Waterfall. Wow, you can do boat rafting here. You can hear the sounds from the waterfall. As you remember, guys, I told you this hotel is sandwiched between two waterfalls, Chania Waterfalls and Thika Waterfalls. Wow, so good. This is now the Chania River Waterfalls. Wow, so amazing. Wow, so beautiful.